Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and in this episode we'll look at another interview questions mostly targeted for front-end developers and test your knowledge of JavaScript and especially of asynchronous code, how the functions are getting executed in JavaScript. So we have the following code snippet here. So we have console log 1, and then we have new promise initialization. Within this promise we have two console logs, then we have another console log. Then we have resolution of a promise. Then we have another console log. And then we have two timeouts, one with 10 seconds, one with 0 seconds. So pause this video and think, what will this code output? So the basic order of operations is JavaScript is first synchronous code. After the synchronous code, JavaScript will look at microtasks and then on asynchronous code. So what is synchronous code? So synchronous code here is first console log 1. Then promises initialization is also synchronous. Promise resolution is actually microtasks. And then set timeout is asynchronous code. So the way JavaScript runs the functions, it has something called call stack. So functions will be added on the call stack and removed from the call stack. Once your JavaScript code encounters, asynchronous code, part of web APIs, it'll post that code on the queue, on the event loop. And once all the synchronous code is done, then JavaScript will take asynchronous code from the queue and run it. So by this, after you understand this, now let's see what this code outputs. Is the first output 1. Then actually the promise initialization is synchronous. So it will produce 2 and then 3, then 4. Then we'll look at promise resolution, which is microtasks, which is priority from event loop asynchronous code. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes to 7. Right, because this is asynchronous. Then it goes microtasks, promise resolution 5, 6, and then it goes into the synchronous code. The synchronous code, first set timeout has 10 milliseconds, next 0. So it prints 1 with 0, 9, and then 8. 9, and then 8. Let's run this code and see if we are correct. And yes, we see that code produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 9, 8. So this is how you answer this type of particular question in JavaScript. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next episode. We'll look at more interview questions, and then also we'll have a series going into fundamentals of JavaScript. One of those topics that we'll talk about will be promises and asynchronous JavaScript. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a comment down below, like the videos, and thank you so much for visiting my channel.